to this Camtasia tutorial where we're going to be getting you started with video bumpers, some project setup, editing basics, and zooming animations for your videos. Alright, we're going to create a new project here on our interface by selecting New Project. Click on that and we'll open a new one. Right, we're going to go up here to the library and choose the Camtasia 2022 library and go down here to a title clip and insert a title clip onto our timeline, track 1. Then we can go over here and add in the text that we want to appear on our title clip. Now we're going to take a look at how to screen record using the record button area. It brings up this recorder menu, which you can select your different frames per second settings, as well as the dimensions of the area of the screen that you would like to record for your tutorial project, and the different definitions. So you can choose a custom region, or I'm going to go with this preset region that I've already defined, and you can see the definition of where we're going to record is highlighted by a dashed green line, along with the width and any preset that we've chosen. In this case, it's a custom preset. So I want to go up here and show you a couple of tools. You can use the FaceTime camera that's built in. You can use a built-in microphone setting, and here you can record the system audio of the computer system that you're currently working on for your tutorial project. And then once you're ready, you're going to use this record button, and it will give you a brief countdown of 3 seconds, as you can see here, before it starts recording. Alright, we are going to look at recording. So this is recording our screen now and looking at showing a person how to insert a transition. And we're going to go up here to the menu and show them that they can insert a fade at the end of this clip in Camtasia. So this is the fade that I like to use at the end of the clip. Drag it and drop it in here. And then we'll go up and stop our recording in the system tray. You can see the little menu appear here. Now that we have a recording, this is where we go to look to find them. It's called the media bin in Camtasia. They're arranged by date of recording. We're just going to select this one to use and drag it down here at the end of the previous clip in our timeline. And there's our recording. Alright, we're editing in this segment. So we've got our clip that we just inserted into the timeline. We've got our scrubber and then the play button up here to preview the video clip that we just recorded from our screen recording. So we'll roll this and go ahead and watch it through one time. And this is a good way to look for areas that you might want to edit out of your video clip that you put in your project. Look for areas that might be low in action, where you might have paused, areas in which at the end of the recording, like you'll see here, that the stop menu comes up to stop the recording. So these are always good areas to clip out of the end of your video clip. And so I'm going to slide the scrubber back and then highlight that section and then hit the delete key, and that will get rid of that last little section. We can double click the green tab and that brings it back together, and we can replay this and make sure that we got all of the pieces of that menu popping up to end the recording. So there's a little bit of the cursor. You can see it going up the screen to the right, and we can clip that out again. Clip it a little further. Same technique. The delete key gets rid of that section. We'll play it through, and it looks pretty good. So we'll use this. We're going to look at zooming in this section, and scale up and scale down are how we zoom in and out in Camtasia. So we've got our video clip over here on transitions, and we want to zoom into that menu area. So you drag this arrow, this is our scale up, and that's going to scale up to that area, and then we can scale over to our scaling and set our zooming to what % we would like to zoom in. We can also drag the video and pan to the area of the video that we want to zoom into, and then we can try it by putting the playhead back a little bit and hitting play to see if it zooms in and captures what we would like to capture for the user or viewer. So we can see the fade getting dragged out and applied. Now we want to zoom back out or scale down so that we can see where the fade goes on the screen recording. So we've got our scale down arrow, and we can scrub this back a little bit and preview that. Make sure that we zoom out so we can see that the fade gets applied to the video clip here in the timeline. So that's how you do a scale up, scale down in Camtasia Studio. In the tutorial, we looked at video bumpers and how to apply them to a Camtasia screen recording project, how to create a new project and select the area that you'd like to screen record, how to do some basic editing, and how to zoom to your project areas for viewers to highlight and keep interest. So thank you for watching.